What's happening, strangers? Okay, so yeah, it's been a while since I posted on this channel. I actually just had a look about 5 minutes ago, and it looks like I'm coming up on 3 years since I posted a video on this channel, which is just crazy to me. Because when I started, the original intention was to post pretty frequently, where I talk about photography, I talk about being creative, I talk about my editing styles, and really just whatever the hell I want to talk about. But, I guess life got in the way and this channel just kind of fell by the wayside. What has happened in the past 3 years, though? I hear you ask. Well, one, moved house. I'm in a much bigger place, which is great. It's a lot warmer as well, which is also good. And I don't have slugs crawling all over my equipment, which is just a win of all wins. My child is even bigger now. She is absolutely amazing. I've started a podcast where I talk about turning 40 and working in the creative sector and also dealing with mental health issues and things like that, which if you're interested, you can go check it out. It's called To 40 and Beyond. I'll link it below. Yeah, it's good fun. Anyway, that's not the point of why I'm doing this video just now. It's been a while since I've done anything creative. And originally, when I started this channel, started photography in general, it was supposed to all be creative driven. But lately, I've been finding that the focus has been switched from the creative aspect to more financially driven purposes. And yes, that is just the way life is, I guess. But, I want to be doing something that I enjoy with my time, not just earning money. And yeah, I think because my focus has shifted with photography, I've been finding that I'm not really enjoying it as much as I used to. Part of that is because, one, I'm an actor. That's me. That is my job. I will always say that I put that first. Originally, when I started photography, it was supposed to be the job between acting jobs because I've done retail, I've done cleaning, I've done waiting, and I have hated it with passion. It's not for me. And I love acting, but the jobs for acting are few and far between, as is the life of being an actor. So I decided, well, I love photography just as much as I love acting. Why not do that? So I did. So I started my business. I started doing photography technically in 2012, but started my business in 2016-ish. And as I said, when I started photography, like the creative side of things was so much fun. If I had an idea, I would just go out and try it. I would call up a friend and ask them to model, and we would just kind of play and explore and just see what we can come up with. But as I said, that has just kind of fallen by the wayside, and it's really been getting me down. And I think that's part of the reason that I'm not enjoying photography as much as I used to. Because when your focus shifts completely to, I have to do this because I need the money, you're not going to find the joy in it. I'm not going to do that. So I'm trying to find that joy again. And to do that, I recently arranged a shoot with a friend of mine who happens to also be a model as well. And she was very kindly let me just flash some lights at her for 4 to 5 hours while we tried different outfits, different makeup styles, lighting setups, backgrounds, and just played and explored. And I was really, really happy with the results. I even had a few moments where I looked at the back of the camera, saw a photo I'd just taken, and I had that kind of spark, like, that's the one, you just get that excitement. And it was so nice to feel that, even if it was just for a moment. It was just nice to kind of be back in that headspace. So yeah, I'm going to show you some of that shoot just now. Hello. Yeah, so I don't really have anything planned for today, but we're joined with Amy McKay. Want to say hello?
Hello. Yeah, my name's Amy Mackey, and can't wait to see what happens today.
Yeah. So yeah, I don't really have anything planned. Just going to go ahead. It's been so long since I've done anything creative. I just kind of want to, try something, have fun, because photography has turned into a job, and I've kind of lost the joy for it. So I'm so grateful for Amy coming today, because I really just want to find that joy again. So thank you.
No, thank you for having me. I'm very excited to find my joy in modelling and, getting to create our own looks as well and just having fun with it.
Sweet. let's get started. Okay, so I didn't actually film the first part of the shoot because I never do that because I'm always playing about with the lights and I never see the point. But turns out that I actually did like these photos, so I decided to share them with you. And for this part, I only used one light, which was the key light that you see right above Amy here. And yeah, as I said, really like these photos. Next thing I did, I brought in a reflector to eliminate the shadow that's caused by the key light being directly above Amy. So I want to give the shoot this type of 1980s feel, you know, your Madonna, Debbie Harry, Pat Benatar look. So I added a coloured gel to the background light here, and for the hair light in the background I put on a strip softbox with a grid. Next, Amy changed her outfit and I changed the lighting setup. I switched it to 2 lights only. I kept the background light exactly where it is. And my key light has now got the softbox I was using for the hair light in the previous shot. You can't see it in this shot, but it's actually just off to the right of camera. At this point I was really happy with the look we were getting, but I wanted to change it up a little bit, so I changed the background to a black background and moved that background light a little bit further back. This allowed the light from there to not only hit the background, but to spill a little bit onto Amy, which gave a nice red hue to the edges, which you'll see in a minute. My key light now has a large softbox on it, which you could kind of see in the corner here, and then I put the beauty dish on my hair light, which is off to the left. And then I experimented with the reflector for positive fill and negative fill. From that point on, I was really happy with the setup, so it was really just about different poses and having fun. And then to end things off, I haven't actually done a lot of work with continuous light, so I blacked out the room as best that I could, set up my LEDs, and then again we just had fun, played around, tried some different looks, different poses, and see what we would get. So yeah, massive thank you to Amy. If you'd like to check out her Instagram channel, I'll link it below. Yeah, just thought I'd share this with you all, and I hope that you're managing to keep your creative spark going and finding the joy in whatever it is that you're choosing to do with your life. Catch you in the next one. Maybe. If I don't talk to you about... I don't know how to sign videos off if you can't tell, so I'm just going to turn my back.